Steve, do me a favor. Let me hold on to you. Oh, seriously? These two high shoes. Let's walk slower.
Yeah, it is. Thank everybody for coming out today. We've had quite the change in Ocean Beach with Hurricane Sandy, but I think today, with the help of young Peter Kazima here, becoming an Eagle Scout, raising the flag by the U.S. Marine Corps, my brothers, it's a proud day in Ocean Beach, and it's a sign that we are coming back and we are here to stay. And together, there's nothing that we can't do. It's been a challenge, traveling down roads unknown to try to get the right things done and do the right thing for the community and everybody in it. But I'm dedicated to doing that, and with the support of each of you, I know there's nothing that we can't do. We'll get through this, and I'd like to congratulate Peter for taking on this project, becoming an Eagle Scout. I think it's an outstanding job. I'd like to thank my brother. Also, we'd like to recognize everybody who's come before us to give us the freedom that we enjoy as Americans, and we'd like you to play taps for everybody. Doesn't look like we got a lot done, but I can tell you that we did, and I'm proud to say that. I stand before you to be judged. We've done the right things. We're coming back. This is step number one. Put it right with our monument here that will be dedicated down the road. Young Peter has a plan to get all this nice little decking and make it a nice monument and a remembrance to those who created Ocean Beach, Fred Pearl and Mr. Patnaud. And again, you know, to do the right thing in the community. It's a place that we all value, a place that we all cherish, and I'm proud to be the president of this club, and I'm proud to be able to try and make a difference for the good of everybody. So with that, I thank you all. I really appreciate the turnout. You guys are awesome coming out here. I really appreciate it, and thank you. Let's enjoy our flag, let's enjoy the community, and let's get it back where it needs to be. So I thank you all, and a happy 4th of July to everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.